Hi everyone, welcome to DIY Ideas. So today, as you can see, I'm showing you a lovely colorful scarf. Today we're doing a single loop, which basically means that you just pull it over your head and that's all that you need to do. So you can see the wool here. I actually think I had it in a haul a while ago, but yeah, I decided to use something colorful today because the weather hasn't been the nicest lately and it's been pretty gray, so I've been missing some colors. So yeah, I'm going to show you a super simple way how to do this, and if you would like to try it out yourself, stay tuned. Okay, so let's start with chains. So we're going to do an even number. In my case, I'm going to chain 12. And 12, that's it. Now I'm going to go back and I'm going to skip the 12th and I'm going to go into the 11th chain, and then I'm just going to do single crochets as our base. So you just go through with the yarn over and then or go through yarn over and pull through the 2 loops that you have. Super simple. There we go. So this is our base, and this is what I decided that it's going to be my width. So now we're going to go into this first stitch. We're going to do a single crochet, then we're going to do a chain and another single, and all of that we're going to do into the same spot. Then we're going to skip this next one here, and then we're going to do it again. So we're going to do a single, a chain, and another single. So keep skipping the ones in between so that it doesn't get too tight in there, and that's all you need to do. So yeah, this is how we get these cute little bumps, and yeah, that's the whole effect. So now we can turn and chain 1 for the height, and then we're just going to continue in the same manner. So we're again going to do a single, a chain, and a single, and skip the one in between, or the next chain on the bottom, the next stitch. So we go till the end, and then we again chain 1 for the height of the next row. And I'm just going to show you so you can see the waves kind of forming. So what I call the bumps. But yeah, I think it looks great, and it's going to look even better after a couple more rows. So let's just again repeat the same process on top. So single, chain, single, and then skip 1, and then do that again until you finish the entire row. So I'm going to do this for the entire spool, and then I'll show you what I have. Okay, so you can see here quite a bit of my scarf, and I have just a tiny bit left over, and of course I do want to use that to form my single loop like I said at the beginning. So yeah, I did have a chain for the height for the next row because I didn't know if I had enough. So this one we're actually gonna pull out, we don't need it. And yeah, now what we want to do is just basically align or fold it in two halves. And then what we are going to do is just connect the open ends. So we're just going to go through both with our hook and then connect. I'll show you once again, but it's super easy to do. And you're just basically doing something like a slip stitch here. And this is also a very, very fast way to make a loop scarf. Okay, so now that I'm done, you can see the really cool thing about this. We basically have the beginning and the end thread here. So what we can do is just tie a knot or even a double knot if you prefer that, but this is definitely gonna stay in place this way. And yeah, this is actually the back, so you can see here the stitch. When you turn it inside out, it actually looks a lot better and you have nothing visible. So yeah, you can see this is pretty thick, of course, due to the wool that we're using. And yeah, it's really colorful. That's probably the favorite part of my project today. But yeah, let me know if you enjoyed it. Let me know if you tried it out yourself and how well it worked. If you enjoyed and would like to see more, you can first shoot us a thumbs up, and then you can also subscribe to our channel to stay updated. So see you next time. Bye!